All of the switch. Yo, what up guys? This is the Tech Talk. Today we are gonna do the part 2 of the All of the Switches series. It's still Kailh, it's still their linears. We are finishing off the rest of the box switches. Let's get to it.
Alright, let me introduce them before we go to the sound test. I have grouped them to 5 different groups for your easier references. The first one, we have the Chinese series, we have the Chinese red and Chinese gray. The second, we have the ocean theme series. So the first one, ocean theme silent with the white stem. Second one is the silent with clear stem, and the ocean whale silent pro, and the jellyfish. Third one, we have the original box series, the Box Red V2, Box Yellow, Box Black, and the Box Silent Pink. Here we have the Varmilo collaborations. We have the Prestige Red, the second one is Prestige Light, and we have the Prestige Silent, and the last one is Gray. And here we have the pink series, the Cocoa Pink, the Box Rosa, the Box Rosa Pink, and last one is the food series. We have the red bean pudding, we have the marshmallow, and last one is the fried egg.
So how do you guys like the sound? So for me personally, I will rank 3 switches into the S tier. They are all from the Varmilo collaboration. They are the Prestige Silent, the Crane, and the Prestige Light. So the Prestige Silent is a very impressive silent switch. It muted the collision sound between the stem and the bottom. And also the silicone padding itself, it doesn't have the squeaky sound when you're pressing it. So it's a very nice silent switch. The Crane and the Prestige Light switch, they are very similar to the ice cream switches I reviewed before. They are creamy and light and very easy to type with. So it's a very good switches for both gaming and office work. And there are 2 switches, I rank them to the A+ tier. So they are from the ocean themed family. They are the Whale Ocean Silent Pro and the Deep Sea Ocean Silent with the clear stem. So they are very similar to the Prestige Silent switch, but they are a little bit louder compared to the Varmilo Prestige Silent. So they are at the A+ tier. Now moving on to the A tier, you can see a lot of them are from the Box Red family. They are very well built, they have very similar stats, but just compared to others, they are not very special, you can say. They are a very safe choice, very good switches. They are the Box Red V2, the Box Red, the Ribbon Pudding, the Chinese Red, the Rosa Pink, the Box Rosa, the Cocoa Pink, the Prestige Red, and the Marshmallow. So they all have the similar stats from activation force from 40 to 45 gram, and very good for office work and also gaming. Very safe choices. So they're at the A tier. And the rest of it, you can see there's the fried egg. It is a silent switch, but compared to the A+ and S tier silent switches, it is a little bit louder, so that's why it's in the A tier. Follow up, you can see the Box Yellow and the Box Black. They are a little bit heavy. It's just personally, I'm a light typer. I don't prefer like heavier linear switches, but if you do, they are very well built and very stable when you're typing on it. And the last one is the Jellyfish. It has a very cool body design. It's full transparent. You can see how things work from the outside without opening the case. However, the sound profile is a little bit clacky. That's why it belongs to the A tier. Moving on to the B tier, the first one is the Box Pink silent switch. Compared to the other silent switches, the silicone padding makes a squeaky noise when you're pressing on it. So that's why I put it to the B tier. The other one on the B tier is the Deep Ocean Silent with the white stem. According to Kailh's website, it's supposed to be a silent switch, but this switch I have, it doesn't have the silent sound profile. So let me know in the comment section, maybe it's just this one I have the QA problem that they forgot to put the silicone paddings inside. That's why I put this into the B tier, because you are not what you're saying you are. The last one is a special switch I want to mention, is the Chinese Gray. I appreciate Kailh's creativity. They make this a very heavy switch with 95 gram of activation force. I don't think that is suitable for any typing or gaming with this kind of activation force, but I really appreciate the creativity Kailh put into that making this switch. Why not, right? There might be people that really like this really heavy switch, or they just want to train their hand muscle somehow with this really heavy switch. So I put it to its own tier. It's a special tier just for it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which switch do you think it's the best among the box series? Stay tuned, the next episode will be the MX style switch from Kailh. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.